We're going to name angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. Here we have a set of parallel lines. The line that is intersecting these lines at an angle, any angle, is called the transversal. There are 8 angles that are formed when a transversal cuts through parallel lines. We're going to name these angles in pairs. First, we need to determine, are they on the same side of the transversal, such as these 2 red dots in this picture? Or are they on alternate sides of the transversal, such as these 2 pairs? Next, we need to determine, are the angles located in the interior, which is between the parallel lines, or outside the parallel lines or on the exterior? We're going to name the angle pairs by first identifying the side description of the transversal, then describing the location relative to the parallel lines. What are the names of these angles? They are on the alternate sides of the transversal, and they're located on the interior between the parallel lines. So their name is called alternate interior angles. What about these angles? They're on the same side of the transversal, and they're on the interior of the parallel lines. So they're called same side interior angles. These angles are on the same side of the transversal, but they're on the exterior or outside of the parallel lines. So they're called same side exterior angles. A little difference here is we have the 2 angles are alternate relative to the transversal, and they're on the exterior of the parallel line, so they're called alternate exterior angles. Okay, these angles are on the same side of the transversal and on the exterior of the parallel lines. They're called same side exterior angles. Okay, these angles are special angles. They're called corresponding angles. We do notice that they're on the same side of the transversal, but one is on the exterior and one is on the interior. But if we take a look, they're really in the same relative position with respect to their parallel line and the transversal. So they're both located on top of their parallel line, and they're located on the left side of the transversal. If we take a look at this GIF, it will help us identify corresponding angles. The angles are in the same relative position on their parallel line and on the same side of the transversal. So as you look, we can create these angles with a transformation by just a translation. And that's how we name the angles. You can look at other videos to identify the relationships between these angles. Thank you.